Hey guys, John here, Motor T-Scale Models. It's been a while since I posted a video, so I'm going to go ahead and post one here real quick. So, got to looking the other day online, run across a guy that had some model kits for sale. He had some trucks that he wanted to sell on Facebook Marketplace. So I reached out, contacted him, and he was willing to sell them to me. But he had some other cars that he wanted to sell also. So I asked him if he would ship them. He said that he couldn't. It cost too much if I'd come down and meet him, which I did. And I understood it was going to be quite expensive to try to ship them. Ended up giving me a really good deal. So we're going to kind of go through real quick and I'll show you what all I got. And then I'll kind of give you guys a heads up on the total I paid for them. So the very first one, which I've not done one of these before, is I got this Model King. And I guess it's Mobius. I love the Mobius kits. They're very easy to work with. They're very detailed. I've not ever had a problem with any Mobius kit that I've done in the past as far as fitment. Everything seems to really work. So he sold me this one. It is the 1965 AFX Mercury Comet Cyclone, excuse me. So it's got the 427 motor in it. Anyway, I bought this one, and I'm looking really forward to putting this kit together. Looks like it's going to be a really nice kit, and I'll get more detail in it later on. So that was the number one kit that I got. Alright. I picked up this special edition 1968 Dodge Dart Hemi. I did one of these, I think, a year or two ago. Been really wanting to do another one. Thank goodness he had one in here and I can get this one done. The old AMT 1966 Chevy Nova Pro Street. He had this kit because he was wanting to bash it with another kit. I've got one of these already in my stash, but I went ahead and picked this one up also just because it was a good deal on the price that he was selling for. Here is an AMT 1966 Ford Fairlane GT/GTA hardtop. I built one of these, but it was a different style. But I built a Ford Fairlane. Love them. They're great. Looking forward to putting this one together. A 1964 Mercury Comet Caliente. I've not done one of these. This is an AMT kit. I'm going to do a lot of research on some of these. This is called the Craftsman Plus series. Kind of looking forward to doing this one. I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I may go stock. I'm just not for sure. This is a curbside kit, so there's not a whole lot of detail. That's why I may just kind of go stock with it. Make it look like it was just to come off the streets, but that was one I picked up. And then AMT's 1967 Chevrolet Impala SS. I've built two of these in the past. Looking forward to putting this together. Man, these cars, they are fantastic. I love the 67 Impala SS. They are, to me, they are kind of like one of the ultimate cars that you can build and customize out. Okay, so that was the cars that I bought. Here are the list of the trucks that I got. This is the AMT's 1972 Chevy. This is my favorite, by far my favorite truck from the 70s. I love this style truck. If I could find one, I would pick it up. And actually, he had two in the thing, so I can do a couple different things. So I'm looking forward to kind of putting these together. I won't do the Coca-Cola thing. I don't know. I may do a Coca-Cola thing. I'm not sure. I may just go ahead and do a Coca-Cola machine, put the machine in the back of it, see what's going on. I'm not a Coca-Cola collector, but I love this year model. I've built one of these years and years ago. I want to say probably back in the late 80s, early 90s, I built a 72 Chevy. Buddy of mine's dad had one when we were kids, and or teenagers I should say, and he and I used to go take it and drive around a lot. Love that truck. So I got two of these. I got this 1966 Ford F-150, F-100 custom cab short bed. This is a Mobius kit. Not built one of these. Love this year model of the truck. Again, another Mobius kit. Man, you can't go wrong. Not sure how I'm going to do this one yet either. But I got a 1971 Ford Ranger. This is a Mobius kit. This is an XLT. I built a 1972 Ford Ranger, which I had when I was a teenager. So I built it to kind of display what I had. So it's the same colors I had growing up, the brown and white. So looking forward to building this one, and we'll see what goes from there. I got a 1955 AMT, I'm sorry, is this a 55? Yeah, no, it's a 1953, my apologies. 1953 Ford truck. I got an idea what I'm going to do with this. I think I'm going to customize this one out. You can do it a couple different ways. This is the Trophy Series. I'm going to do some research on this one also, kind of get some ideas, and go from there. The AMT 1960 Chevy Street Machine truck. Looking forward to building this one. I think it's going to be cool. This box is open, but I've gone through it. Everything is in it. It was just open when he purchased it, so it's good to go. I got a 1966 Chevy fleet size truck, Revell, which I built one of these here maybe a year or two ago. I had a blast with this one. Truck went together really good. Looking forward to kind of doing this one also. Probably, I think the last one I did was, it was orange and white, and I did it as a service station truck. I believe is what it was I did. This right here, I may kind of street rod it out a little bit, but looking forward to doing this one. And last but not least, I got the 1965 Chevy step-side truck, Revell. I've not built this kit before, so I'm looking kind of forward to building this one. Now on the 65 and the 66 that I got, my nephew, he has a 1967 Chevy step-side truck. And I know I can get the grill. I think that's one of the differences. And I know you can purchase the grill in the aftermarket. I'm gonna review it. I may end up doing one of these to kind of resemble his truck. Kind of go from there. So, but anyway, so in total, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I bought 16 kits. 16 kits. And I paid, he was asking $160 for the trucks, which was 9 kits, and he was asking $140 for the trucks, which was 9 kits, and $160 for the cars, which was 6 kits, and ended up selling them to me for $240 total for all the kits together. You guys well know kits now are running $25, $30 each. I think I got them for less than $15 a kit, so I couldn't pass them up. Grabbed a hold of them. Looking forward to knocking them out. And real quick, I want to show you one that I just finished for my niece. I didn't do a build video on this one, but I wanted to kind of let you guys take a look at it. I didn't want to take the time to try to do the filming because I wanted to get it together for her. But it's a 1966 Chevy Impala, black on black. This is her dream car, so I went ahead and put this together for her. I'm going to get this to her today or tomorrow sometime. But anyway, alright guys, I'm going to get this video out. It's a short video, and I'm going to pick which one of these vehicles I'm going to start on next, and we will see you later.